I always advocate that both the technology transformation as well as information security has to go hand in hand because it has to support each other to avoid any kind of issues or challenges.
What should be the top priorities for CISOs today to kind of stay ahead of the curve in the coming year and beyond?
See, the most important thing is that first you have to understand what kind of asset, what kind of inventory you are going to protect. You have to understand which is the boundary of your organization, aware up to the boundary of the organization, what all the things you need to protect, that to be proactively, not on a reactive manner. The most important thing is that for that you need to have an enterprise risk security framework where you bring all your physical as well as digital assets, including your human assets, and you understand where all there can be risk.